Okay, so this is a 1987 TW200. My black box went bad. The symptom of a bad black box is erratic running. It sounds like your cam chain is loose, like your valves are loose. It's very erratic. At times sounds like your motor's coming apart. It certainly sounds mechanical instead of electrical. What you can do is put pressure on your black box like I did on this one. I just put a clamp and that solved the problem. But obviously that's not a good long-term solution. A new black box aftermarket is about $200. There is a cheaper alternative which will work for actually all the years. Even the 87 like mine is on eBay getting a $14 Racing CDI, and I'm giving you a close view of all the colors that you need to connect. So black to black white, red to red. The two greens coming out of your new CDI box, you'll have to try them both ways. One is a physical ground, the other one is a coil ground. It makes a slight difference in how it runs depending how you have it wired. The yellow out of the CDI box to your orange out of your connector. Blue out of the CDI box goes to your green on your little two-prong plug, and then your other green goes to the white. That's it. Let me fire her up.